Hey, everybody, it's good to be with you again for a second week. And to start our phonics for this week, we're going to do a quick review of our long and short vowel sounds. So I'm going to turn the camera around and I'm going to show you my new board. So hopefully this will show up a little bit better for us. And I'm going to lay out the letters A, E, I, O, and U. Okay, now I'm going to scoot down, or I'm going to scoot, and now I think you can probably see all of those. There we go. Okay, alrighty. These are our 5 vowels, and vowels are very important letters because every word has at least one vowel, and vowels can be different sounds and patterns. So let's start with our short vowel sounds that are just that quick and short. So I'm going to point and you can make the short vowel sounds with me. Let's begin. Short A says ah, short E says eh, short I says I, short O says ah, short U says Okay, now let's do our long vowel sounds where the vowel says its name. So again, I'm going to point and you can do the sounds with me. Long A says A, long E says E, long I says I, long O says O, long U says U or oo. Now with long U, it can really say its name in a word you, or a lot of times it comes out being ooh. So long U can be you or ooh. Okay. It is not enough to know just the sounds. We have to know when that vowel is going to be long or short in a word. So that's what we're going to start now. So you will need a paper and you will need a pencil. And if you have it, grab a crayon or a marker, don't care what color. And if you don't have one of those, that's okay. Okay? And you're going to put a 1 and you're going to put 2 lines next to it. So if you need to, go ahead and pause the video. When you have your stuff, click back on and we'll get started. Okay, with your pencil, you're going to write this word, M-E-T. Now, with your other color, you're going to go over that vowel E. If you don't have another color, just underline. Okay? And this is going to be an example of a short vowel word in pattern. If we think of our last consonant as the door, our other letters are the consonants. It is closed, so you can make that door with me. And you can see how that vowel is closed up by itself, usually squeezed in the middle of the word, quick and short. So we're going to put a curve in CL for closed. It's a short vowel closed up by itself. Okay? So let's read the word with short E. Met. Okay? Like I met you last night at the restaurant. Okay? And again, we are going to go ahead and use that sounding out strategy, making the sounds and then blending and putting them together. I know some of you are beyond that, and that's okay, but you can sound out and read the words with me as you need to. So here is the word met, an example of a short vowel word with that vowel closed up by itself, usually squeezed in the middle of the word, quick and short. Okay, now let's do some other short vowel words with our cards. And hopefully I might have to, I'm going to bend down a little bit. And there, I think we can see well. So in each of these, we're going to have a short vowel sound or pattern. That vowel is going to be closed up by itself, usually squeezed in the middle of the word, quick and short. So let's read this one with short A. Tap. Now I'm going to change the vowels, and we're going to do the rest of our short vowel sounds. Let's do this one. Tap. Let's do this one with short I. T, I, p, tip. Let's do this one with short O. T, a, p, top. And finally, let's do this one with short U. T, a, p, top. Okay? Alrighty. Now, some of those were nonsense words like top, but that's okay. We're just practicing reading, sounding out with our short vowel sound and pattern. Okay, now let's go back to your paper. And let's make a 3-dotted line. I'm going to make mine at the top, so that might be easiest for you. Okay, now I'm going to focus this again so we can see. Okay, and now we are going to sound out and spell a word with a short vowel sound and pattern. And, you know, we can tap out the sounds on the dots to help us sound it out as we spell. So here is our word. Our word is going to be nap. So here's my fist. I'm going to pound it. Nap. Pointer up. Say it slowly. Sound it out. Nap. What's first? So we're going to write an N. What's next? We're going to write an A. And please write and do this with me. And what's last? We're going to put a P. Okay? And that's how we sound out to spell. We say it slowly enough to hear those sounds. Then we go back and write down the letters form beginning to end. Okay? And as a check, you can blend the sounds, read the word again, make sure you wrote down what you heard. So let's read this word, nap. Like, you have more time to take a nap during school since we are not going to actual school. Okay, so you have more time to take a nap. Okay, alrighty. Now you get to see me again. Okay, that is our first video. Okay, and that is a review of the short vowel sound and pattern when that vowel is closed up by itself, usually squeezed in the middle of the word, quick and short. I'll see you in the next video.